महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं महादेवसुतं गुरुगुहनुतं मारकोटि प्रकाशं शान्तं महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियम् महाकाव्यनाटकादिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि वसिष्ठवामदेवादिवन्दितं महागणपतिम्
This is Maha Ganpathim, set to be in Rag Nata, composed by Muthuswami Dikshitar Garu. So for any auspicious occasion, we generally start with a Ganesha Kriti. Namaskar, I am Bhavya Tumuluru and I welcome you to Artium Carnatic, Artium Academy's YouTube channel dedicated to all things around Carnatic music, where together with me, you will explore the rich and timeless world of Carnatic music through lessons, knowledge and lots of singing. Whether you are a beginner taking your first step or someone looking to refine your skills, you have come to the right place. So before we dive in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a like so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos with us, ensuring that your learning doesn't stop. With that, let's get started. Carnatic music isn't just an art form, it's a journey of discipline, devotion and deep musical understanding. And at Artium, we are here to guide you every step of the way. Carnatic music is one of the oldest and most profound classical music traditions in the world, deeply rooted in the cultural heritage of South India. It revolves around three core elements: Shruti, the foundation of melody; Raga, the soul of Carnatic music setting the mood of a composition; and the Tala, the heartbeat that keeps everything in perfect flow. At its core, Carnatic music is about expression, improvisation and storytelling, whether through a soulful kriti, an intricate alapana or a vibrant kalpana swaram. Carnatic music today has been developed and has evolved from three pioneers of Carnatic music who are collectively known as Trinities: Tyagaraja Swami, Muthuswami Dikshitar Garu and Shyama Sastri Garu. Learning Carnatic music isn't just about singing or playing an instrument. It enhances your voice control, strengthens your ear for music, and deepens your understanding of rhythm and melody. Many legendary artists like M.S. Subbulakshmi Amma, G.N.B. Garu, and Tyagaraja Garu have paved the way for generations, and their compositions continue to inspire us. With the right training, dedication, and guidance, anyone can embark on this incredible musical journey. So come, join us on a journey as we unlock the timeless secrets of Carnatic music together. Let's explore the intricate interplay of melody, rhythm, and emotion, transforming every lesson into a step towards mastery and every performance into a celebration of tradition. See you in the next video, and to ensure that you don't miss it, make sure you click on the subscribe button below, and always remember there is only one way to get better at your singing: practice, practice, practice. So keep practicing, keep singing.